So LinkedIn is so much to learn. So I think the one thing I learned was don't add a link in the actual thing itself, because basically you're taking people off the platform and LinkedIn don't want you to do that. So put it in the comments below, or ask people do they want the link, and put it in the comments below.
And I learned about the storytelling, like the way he writes the storytelling in LinkedIn, I think is quite a key as well. Yeah.
Oh, just the two of them. They were like a comedy act. They were great. I loved it. We were up the front like grouping, so we were like hanging on their every word.
The comedy between the two of them, the way that it just interacts, but also the amount of value and energy and passion I think they bring to it as well.
They've got good energy together.
And it's all very relatable.
The thing that I really loved about the insights on LinkedIn was about the reverse order. So instead of having a photo first, obviously it's the context of what you're saying, especially because I always feel I need to find a good photo to put first, but it's actually about the first two lines of what I need to say. So definitely going to take those tips away this evening. Meeting Brooke.
Yes.
We're about to go and get a photo with her. We love her. We're fangirls. So very exciting about that.
Instagram. Yes, Instagram's fun.
Yeah, I'm a bit for both. I think LinkedIn's great, so I no longer have to carry around cards to meet people, and good way to connect with other people in the business. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
With Instagram, I think it was a lot of revision for myself. It was a lot about like authenticity, adding value. I feel like with my industry being in the hair and beauty industry, I'm on Instagram constantly. I'm trying to connect with my guests. I'm trying to build my clientele, and you can kind of get a little bit stuck in creating content. So it's just really important to revise over having more valuable content, and just how to really engage and connect and I guess retain a lot more people, because at the end of the day, the more people you have, the more money you make. LinkedIn was actually a bit of a light bulb moment for me. I don't know how or why, but I always thought LinkedIn was more for like kind of white collar or blue collar jobs. So it was more professional suits and ties, that kind of job, that kind of industry, corporate. But myself, with even doing freelance editorial and wedding as well, I've realised that I can now market myself on a completely different platform and reach more customers.